In this video, we will see how to fix Windows Update KB5045935 not installing on your Windows 11 system. If you fail to install Windows latest KB update, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute these three DISM tool one by one as shown on a screen. DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And after successfully execution of DISM tool, execute sfc scan now command on the same command prompt Windows, sfc / scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Once successfully execution of sfc scan now tools, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your system Windows update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter, go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters, and here run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on run button against Windows Update option. Troubleshooter is an important tools of any Windows system. Inbuilt tool, you must apply them and check whether Windows Update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type services.msc. Services.msc. Click on OK. It will open services windows in your Windows 11 system. And here you will have to start or restart various Windows update related services. And the first one is background intelligent transfer service, BITS service. Simply right click on it and choose start. If you found already in a start mode, then restart it. So choose start and after that apply a double to open its properties, and here go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic. Finally, choose apply and OK to save the changes. Same process will be applied for other services. And the second one is cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose start or restart. Open this services and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and look for Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows, and you can't change modify a startup type, so close the windows. And the last services you will have to start or restart is Windows update services. Right click on Windows update services and choose start, otherwise restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. Set a startup type as automatic and press apply and OK to save the changes. So start or restart these 4 Windows update related services and don't forget to restart. And after that, check whether Windows install error in your system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Now we will execute some Windows update components as shown on a screen. Execute these 4 Windows update components to stop these 4 services. First, Execute one by one these 4 command in command prompt windows followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute these commands one by one followed by enter key on each time. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. So execute all these Windows update components in command prompt windows one by one. One successfully execution of this Windows update components command start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Execute this 4 command one by one followed by enter key on each time. After that, restart your system and check whether Windows Update failed to install error resolved or not. If not, manually download and install Windows latest KB update. To do so, open your Google Chrome browser and here in search field, type Microsoft Update Catalog. Open Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it and here in search field, type the KB update which you want to download and install, KB 5045935, and click on search, and all its related updates will available here. Windows 11 Windows 11 updates, simply download and install it in your system manually.